Okay, these next couple of examples aren't actually in your handout, but we're going to look at them anyway just to give you kind of an example of what you're doing. Okay, so example 1, find the indicated side of each triangle. So here, again, first thing we want to do always is label our triangle. Here is our right angle, means these are the two legs, and this side is the hypotenuse. Okay, so then this angle is the one that we're looking at, that we're worried about. Here's the hypotenuse. That means the other one that makes up the angle is the adjacent. And then this one over here is the opposite. Well, what are we looking for? We're looking for A, which is the opposite. And what do we have? We have 6.5, which is the adjacent. So back to our little SOHCAHTOA thing. SOHCAHTOA. We have the opposite and adjacent. The hypotenuse doesn't play into this at all. Let's just cross it out. We don't care about it for this question. Opposite and adjacent. Opposite, adjacent. I'm looking at TOA, which is tangent. So tangent we write as tan theta is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. Your triangle looks just like all the other ones, but with different letters. So tangent is the opposite over the adjacent. So here I have the adjacent. I'm looking for the opposite. So if I covered up the O for opposite, I'd see it's the tangent of the angle times the adjacent. Let's fill stuff in. So tangent, my angle is 38 degrees, is equal to the opposite, which is A, over the adjacent, which is 6.5. And again, we know if our variable's on top, it's a multiplying question because we got to get rid of this divide by multiplying both sides. We can also see here, like I said, we're looking for the opposite, so it's tangent of the angle times the adjacent. So the adjacent, or the opposite side, is equal to 6.5 times tan of 38 degrees. So A is equal to 6.5 times the tan of 38 degrees. And that gives us 5.078. Again, one decimal place in the question. Let's go to one decimal place in our answer. So 5.0, I look at the next number, which is 7. That makes that 0 a 1, so it's 5.1. So 5.1, my units are centimeters. And that is my answer for 1A.